Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy with the chips, steam and steam. And if you watch a video that I posted yesterday, you might notice that I'm wearing the same clothes and the same hair because this is recorded on the same day. We are celebrating my son's 6th birthday. His birthday is actually on the 24th of December, so he was born on Christmas Eve. So if we want to have birthday on the 24th, of course no one will show up. So we have it much earlier, about 2 weeks earlier. Today is the December 15th. And yesterday's video, I showed you how I made this cake the night before Christmas. The theme of the birthday party is the night before Christmas. So the main cake that he blew up the candle with was this one. But today I'm gonna show you a cupcake cake, or it's a banana chocolate cake that you can transform into cupcake. And I made a pull-apart cake, cupcake cake for that, which is Jack Skellington's face as well. Unfortunately, the vanilla essence that I used, it wasn't clear because it was a nice vanilla, a real vanilla, excuse me, and it has brownish color obviously. And I added it like about 2 teaspoons to the buttercream I made, and of course the previous whitish buttercream turned into kind of brownish. So yeah, I will show you the cupcake from closer, and you will see how Jack's face is not white as skeleton white, but it's rather brownish. But anyways, it's a chocolate banana cake and it's pretty simple, it's pretty good. You can use bundt pan, you can use regular form pan, or in this case I turn it into cupcakes. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon, bye! For the wet ingredients, I have 2 cups of water, half cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, half tablespoon of vanilla, and 2 ripe banana mashed. So we're just gonna mix it until well combined, and then we're gonna fill up the cupcake wrapper. Now we're just gonna fill it about 2 cookie scoop each. Then we're gonna bake it at 350 preheated oven for at least 25 minutes. Pop in the batter into the oven, and we're gonna bake it at 350 for about 25 minutes. That the cupcake is cool, start decorating with your favorite buttercream, or maybe modeling chocolate or fondant, whichever you like.
Nice.
Yes, I know that. I'm telling Mom.